Hey, it's Cliff from Fathead Cycles. I'm here to talk to you today about one of the most common questions we get from CVO riders about our Sony 7000 bundle, and it's simple. Does it work with my bike? The answer is it fits perfectly in your bike, but it will not work with your bike if you still have your upgraded Harley boom amplified system on your motorcycle. And I'm going to put this in layperson's terms because that's the way that I speak and understand it, is that the Sony 7000 simply cannot turn on a Harley boom amplifier. So what that means is that the Sony 7000 will go in your bike and fit perfectly. It will turn on, but you'll hear no sound coming out of your speakers. The reason being is because this head unit cannot power on your Harley boom amplifier. The way that Harley designed their audio system was that only a Harley radio can power on a Harley boom amplifier. That's it. So what happens if you put this on your bike is that this sends the signal to the amplifier to turn on, but it won't turn on. So at the same time, it tries to send the sound, and nothing therefore comes out your speakers because the amplifier isn't turned on. So what do CV riders do that want a Sony 7000? Well, Rockford Fosgate has two CVO specific bundles that you can purchase whether you have a 4-speaker system or a 6-speaker system. That is a direct replacement for your factory speakers. They fit perfectly, it sounds great, and everything is plug and play, and it pairs amazingly with our Sony 7000 bundle. We've had a ton of CVO riders that have taken advantage of that, and they're super thrilled with their upgraded system and the enjoyment of today's technological advances in the Sony 7000, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's a fast system. Long gone are the days where you fire up your Harley and you have to wait 5 minutes for your radio to boot up. This loads up in about 3 seconds. For more tips and tricks about your CVO bike or any Harley-Davidson motorcycle, be sure to check out our website, www.fatheadcycles.com. Check out our blog, our videos page. Lots of great stuff there for you to research about our products, services, etc. Have a great day.